Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today is week number 2 for Vita, which is every day in April. And this week what I'm going to do is take this look and totally deconstruct it so you can see each step in really bite-sized bite-sized pieces of how you can approach this. So if you need just one little piece, you can go straight to that and see how it's done. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check it out. Thank you so much. Okay, we're back with this deconstructed makeup look, and today we're going to do cheeks. Cheeks is really easy to mess up, but it's also really easy to do effectively. Now, my main go-to with cheeks is definitely to have an angled cheek brush, and I like that because you can it just kind of goes with the natural contours of the face. And something about cheeks, cheek color usually is of the pinkish, plum, sometimes orange, sometimes red, sometimes purple family, and sometimes brown. But sometimes people put cheeks kind of where contours should be, and sometimes put contours where cheeks should be, and it's kind of an amateur move, and it just doesn't do what you want it to do. So cheeks should make you have that natural, flushed, happy, oh, I got a compliment, or oh, he looks good, or oh, he's checking me out, or my husband makes me feel beautiful, that kind of look. That's what cheeks should do. So when you are applying cheek color, you want to accentuate this part of your face. Everybody doesn't wear cheeks. Well, everybody doesn't wear everything. But cheeks is one of those things that's very subjective. Everybody doesn't wear cheek color, and that's fine. But if you're wearing it, you want to apply it properly. So go back to old school and, go back to old school and smile. And right there is where you want to apply the cheek. And just like if you turn to the side, you see this nice apple of your cheek, and then it kind of like dissipates. That's how you want to apply your cheek color. Most cheek colors, well, the cheek colors that I like are very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. You don't want to over apply. It's better to under apply and add more if you need to, rather than applying too much and now you've got to apply more foundation and powder to try to camouflage it. The color that I'm going to go with today is the Becca color, and it's Latana. It's I love it because it's orange. This is the color here, and I already showed you my favorite brush, and I'm going to literally tap 2 times. I'm going to smile, and I'm going to do you guys see that? I hope you do. I'm going to apply it a little more just for camera's sake. So where you put the brush first is where most of the product will be. You're always doing up and away because you don't want to have a big glob of cheek way up here. You want most of it to be here. So the same at the other side. And this is why I love the angle brush, because I think it just follows the natural curvature of the face. We're just going to look on both sides, make sure it looks even, which it does. In real life, it looks a little extra. I'm sure you can definitely see it in the video. And that is how you apply cheeks. So there should be a clear delineation from here, which if you apply highlight, the highlight's going to go right here. If you apply contour, we've got plenty of space for contour. See, there's a definite space. They should all have room for each other. There you have it. That's how you apply cheek. Remember, start at the apple of the cheeks. Wherever the brush goes first is where most of the makeup will go first. Less is more, and you can always add. Thank you so much, and come back for the next video, and I'll show you how to easily apply mascara.